Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this brand new Audi A3 Sport Sportback finished in the modern Manhattan grey paintwork. This brand new model comes with a 1.5 litre petrol engine with 150 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. Its top features include the striking LED headlights for great visibility, large 17-inch alloy wheels, electric folding wing mirrors, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 380 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or big weekly food shop. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with a stylish front dorsal trims along with a SONOS premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full cloth trim for that comfortable look and feel, in addition to a rear climate control with 2 USB-C charging ports. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and front full cloth seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the exterior lighting in addition to toggling the rain sensor. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a wireless charging pad with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.